Hello friend, this is Lily. Now let me introduce our CNC router EC1325 model. This machine working size is 1.3 by 2.5 meters and weighs 6 feet. All the machine body heavy duty. And this the linear guide, THK linear guide from Japan. And this the anti-collision device. This is a helical gear rack, a strong cable chain. Y-axis double motors. This vacuum table, including the aluminum T-slot, more convenient for fixing small material. And this vacuum valve, there are 6 zones, so you can control any zone by turning the vacuum valve. This is a air cooling pipe for cooling some material like aluminum or other, you want to cooling the surface. And this is the control handle, DSP control handle. This Suda control cabinet. Now this for control vacuum pump. This for the vacuum cleaner. We also call duster collector. The emergency stop. This, inside this Suda logo, LED lights. Let's see the inside the control cabinet. You can see LED light inside this. There is a cable connected with the power. There's a Holip inverter. And this is the step driver board. Lead shine. This air grip switch for vacuum pump and vacuum cleaner. This the DSP motherboard. The ventilation fan for cooling the control cabinet. This is the voltage transformer. And let me close the door. There is the key for the door, so you can lock it. This outside of this is the back of the machine. There is a manual oil lubricating system. Here on the back of the machine is this is for the vacuum pump. So this is just the EC model, 1.3 by 2.5 meters. Z-axis 0.2 meters. So if you are interested, please don't hesitate to inquire. I will send more information to you.